Hi guys, we are at Samsung's booth at MWC 2017 and what we have with us is Samsung's big launch of this event. This is the Galaxy Tab S3. The Tab S3 is a successor to last year's Galaxy Tab S2, but it feels more like a Note tablet, and the reason we are saying that is the fact that it comes with an S Pen stylus. Now this stylus, like other Note series devices, doesn't fit into the tablet, so you will have to carry it around and hope that you don't lose it. But fortunately it is a flat pen, it's flat on both sides, so it won't roll off any tables. As far as the functionality goes, you get the standard Note functionality. So you get Air Command, which will bring up a variety of shortcuts such as Notes, Screen Write, Glance, Translate and Magnify, and you can add up to 10 shortcuts here. So you can use the Note to capture GIFs. So you can use the S Pen to even write a note. And that's it, just the basic functionality of the S Pen stylus that you get on Note series devices. As far as the tablet itself goes, it features a 9.7-inch display. It's an S AMOLED display and the resolution is 2048 by 1536 pixels. The design itself looks a lot like the Galaxy S7, and it features the same rounded edges, metal frame. And if you look closely at the back, it features a really nice glass back panel as well, which looks very premium. The keyboard that you see in this video is an optional accessory, so this does not come with the tablet itself, so you will have to purchase them separately. The nice thing about the keyboard is that it doesn't require charging, so it just connects via pogo pin at the bottom. In terms of the processor, you get a Snapdragon 820 chipset along with 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, which is expandable via micro SD. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S3 runs Android 7.0 Nougat, and you get Samsung's TouchWiz interface on top. The battery on this device is a 6000 milliamp unit, and it does come with fast charging support as well. An interesting thing about the Tab S3 is that it features quad speakers, so you get 2 speakers at the top and 2 speakers at the bottom. So this should be pretty good if you watch a lot of videos on your tablet. This looks like a very media friendly tablet. You also get cameras on this device, so you get a front 5 megapixel camera, and at the back you get a primary 13 megapixel camera. In the front you will also find a fingerprint sensor. So that's it for your first look at the Samsung Galaxy Tab S3. Samsung hasn't announced price of this device yet, but we expect it to be priced at a premium when it launches in India. We'll let you know once we have all the details. If you enjoyed this video, do subscribe to our 91 Mobile's YouTube channel, where we're covering all the action from MWC 2017, and thank you for watching.